Okay, so there's a side hustle right now that's making people $3, $5, even $10,000 a month. And almost nobody on YouTube is talking about it. It's not dropshipping. It's not selling courses. It's not another use ChatGPT to write blog posts video, I promise. And the weird part? You don't need any technical skills. You don't need to know how to code. You don't even need money to start. I'm talking about starting an AI automation agency, and in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to break down exactly how it works, step by step, no fluff, no theory, and stay until the end, because I'm going to be brutally honest about who this is actually for, and who should stay far away. All right, let me explain what this actually is, because AI automation agency sounds fancy, right? It sounds like you need a team and an office and some kind of tech degree. You don't. Here's what it actually means. You help small businesses automate the boring, repetitive stuff they're wasting hours on every week. Think about it. The local dentist office that's manually confirming appointments by calling every patient. The real estate agent who's copy-pasting follow-up emails to every single lead. The gym owner who's tracking memberships in a spreadsheet. These people are drowning, and they know AI exists. They've heard about ChatGPT, they've seen the headlines. But they have no idea how to actually use it in their business. That's the gap. That's where you come in. You don't build the AI, you just connect it. You set up simple automations that save them 10, 15, 20 hours a week, and they pay you for it, monthly. Now here's what makes this different from every other side hustle. The tools you need? They're free. Let me run through the stack. Make.com. This is the big one. It's a visual automation builder. No code, you literally drag and drop. Free tier gives you 1,000 operations a month, which is more than enough to start. Zapier, same concept, different tool. Some clients prefer it. Free tier gives you 100 tasks a month. ManyChat, this one's for automating Instagram DMs, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp. If a business gets inquiries through social media, this is gold. Free tier handles most small businesses. ChatGPT or Claude. For building the AI brains behind the automations. Customer support responses, lead qualification, email drafts. This is the AI part. Google Sheets? Seriously. Half of small business automation is just connecting a form to a spreadsheet to an email. That's it. And it's free. Calendly. Free scheduling tool. You automate appointment booking and the client thinks you're a genius. That's the whole tech stack. Total cost to start? $0. Okay, so you've got the tools. Now the real question, how do you actually find clients? And this is where most people overthink it. They want to build a website, create a brand, design a logo, set up social media, and then 6 weeks later, they still have 0 clients. Here's what actually works. Method 1. The local business walk-in. I'm serious. Walk into a business near you, a dental office, a barbershop, a gym, a real estate office, and say this, hey, I help businesses save 15 to 20 hours a week by automating things like appointment booking, follow-up emails, and customer inquiries. Can I show you a quick example? Most of them will say yes, because they're curious. They've heard about AI, but nobody's actually showed them what it looks like. Method 2. Cold DMs on Instagram and LinkedIn. Find small business owners. Look at their page. If they're responding to DMs manually, if their booking process is DM us to schedule, they need you. Send something like, hey, I noticed you handle bookings through DMs. I set up free automations for businesses like yours that handle that automatically. Want me to show you how it works? No charge for the demo. That last part is key. No charge for the demo. You're not selling, you're showing. Method 3, Fiverr and Upwork. List a gig. I'll automate your business workflows using AI, Zapier, Make, ManyChat. Price it at $200 to $500 for a starter package. People are actively searching for this. Now, let's talk about the actual automations, because here's the thing. You don't need to build some crazy AI system. There are 3 automations that basically sell themselves. Every small business needs at least one of them. Number 1, Automated appointment booking and reminders. This is the easiest sell. Most small businesses, salons, clinics, trainers, consultants, they're booking appointments through phone calls, texts, or DMs, and then they're manually sending reminders. You set up Calendly or cal.com for online booking. Connect it to their Google Calendar. Then use make.com to automatically send a confirmation email, a reminder 24 hours before, and a follow-up after the appointment asking for a review. Total setup time? About 2 hours. What you charge? $200 to $400 setup plus $50 to $100 a month to maintain it. Number 2, lead capture and follow-up sequences. A customer fills out a contact form on their website. Right now, that form goes to an inbox, where it sits for 3 days, until the customer has already gone to a competitor. You connect that form to a Google Sheet, trigger an instant auto reply email, add them to a follow-up sequence, day 1, day 3, day 7, and notify the business owner on their phone that a new lead came in. This automation alone is worth $500 because it literally makes them money. Every lead that doesn't get a response within an hour is a lost customer. You fix that. Number 3, social media inquiry automation. This one's huge for any business that gets DMs. Restaurants, fitness studios, beauty salons, coaches. You set up ManyChat to automatically respond to common questions, pricing, hours, booking links, and qualify leads before they ever talk to a human. If someone DMs, "How much is a membership?" the bot responds instantly with pricing and a booking link. No human needed. Those 3 automations, that's your starter package. You could charge $500 to $1,500 for the full setup and $50 to $200 per month for maintenance. Now let's talk real numbers, because I hate videos that promise millions and deliver nothing. Here's the honest breakdown. Month 1, you're learning the tools, watching YouTube tutorials on make.com and Zapier, building practice automations, maybe landing one client at $300 to $500. Month 2, you've got the skills. You land 2 to 3 clients. That's $600 to $1,500. Month 3 and beyond, you've got case studies. Referrals start coming in. You're charging more because you can show results. 3 to 5 clients on retainer at $100 to $200 each, plus new setup projects. Realistic month 3 income, $1,500 to $3,000. And here's the beautiful part. The retainer model means it compounds. You're not starting from zero every month. Month 6, $5,000. Month 12, you could be replacing a full-time income. But I need to be real with you here. This is not passive income. You're running a service business. You have clients. They have questions. Sometimes things break and you need to fix them. It's not set it and forget it. If you want passive income, go sell digital products. This is active income. But it's active income that pays really, really well for the hours you put in. 3 hours of setup work for $200 a month in recurring revenue? That math is insane. So here's the truth nobody tells you. This side hustle works. But it works for a specific type of person. If you're someone who likes solving problems, if you enjoy figuring out how things connect, if you get satisfaction from making someone's life easier, this is your thing. If you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme where you click a button and money appears, this ain't it. And honestly, nothing is. But if you're willing to spend 1 weekend learning the tools, 1 week reaching out to businesses, and 1 month building momentum, you'll be in a position that 99% of people who watch Make Money online videos never reach. You'll actually be making money. Look, I know there are a million videos telling you how to make money online. Most of them are recycled garbage, but this one's different because the people doing this, they're not flexing on Instagram. They're not selling courses about it. They're just quietly building agencies that pay their rent. And now you know exactly how they do it. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I'm dropping videos like this every single week, and drop a comment telling me, are you going to try this? Which business would you approach first? I read every single one.